Welcome to Toronto Film School Prologue, an open house with a difference. It is only fitting that we are here in the illustrious Beltif Lightbox, home of the Toronto International Film Festival.
This is arguably the epicenter for film in North America. So I want to talk to you a bit about how I got here and maybe offer a blueprint for how you can get here. When I was starting my career in my early 20s, and this is going to sound crazy, I actually had a 25-year plan. But part of your plan, one of your building blocks for success, needs to be education.
I dared to do this. I dared to leave everything behind and do something I wanted to do. Because who said that you can only have one passion? And who said that you cannot have more than one dream? No, definitely not. Because life wants more from you.
Show you how to do something, industry professionals show you how to do it, and then you're set. You hit the ground running when you get to your career.
If you love film, and if you know that film is what you want to do for the rest of your life, then it can be an amazing program for you.
Thank you all very much. This was informative, and we look forward to talking to all of you after this presentation.